Today's tip is how to set up automatic updates on your Apple computer for Mavericks. First, go to the App Store and make sure that your Apple ID is logged into the App Store, and you'll be able to tell because right under here under quick links it will say welcome in your name. Then you can go to the Apple and go down to System Preferences, and System Preferences is also accessible down in your dock if it's still down there. Then you can go to the App Store icon in System Preferences, and here you can check to have updates automatically, or have it automatically check for updates, and then you have different options to download the newly available updates, install the app updates, and then install system data files and security updates. It is a good idea to have all three of them checked, that way you're not missing anything. The other option in there is automatically download apps purchased on other Macs. So if your Apple ID is logged into the App Store on other Apple computers that uses Mavericks, then it'll be able to install the things. Then it'll be able to install the apps that you've purchased on other Apple computers. So that one too would be a good idea. Next, when you have an update, you will see the little red icon on your App Store icon down in the dock. So when you click open the App Store, you'll go to the word updates, and in here it'll show you all the updates that are available. Now you do have the option to click on the down arrow that's next to the update all and say to install now, try in an hour, try tonight, or remind me tomorrow. These options are nice if you are currently at the office working on a project that you need to get done that day and you don't have time for your computer to sit there and do an update, shut down, restart, and finish the update. So you can always do the option to try tonight when the computer is at home and you're not working on it. And those are a few of the settings for doing automatic updates on your Apple computer using Mavericks operating system.